You might be disappointed in having to attend the open house virtually from home, but really you don't have to be. Sure, biology is about exploring exciting things far from home, like our tropical ecology course in the Amazon rainforest. And of course it's also about using high-tech equipment to study life, like when we use leaf spectrometers to study the response of plants through differences in how the leaves reflect light. But more than that, science is about looking at something that you see every day and suddenly understanding it in a way you never have before, and then realizing that it's just about the most interesting thing ever. In fact, you may well be living with some of the most fascinating organisms in the world and not even know about it. Plants sense their environment in a way that can only be described as seeing, smelling, tasting, feeling, and even hearing. They integrate information and react to it using everything from chemical responses to movements to nerve-like action potentials. These behavior-like responses often go unnoticed because plants live on a different time scale than us. These days, you can do time-lapse recordings using your phone and study the dance of germinating seedlings or tropism. And the best place to go exploring to see some truly spectacular adaptations is your very own windowsill. Air plants, for instance, are flowering plants that live on non-soil surfaces, so they can't have proper roots. Now, to absorb water over the surface of the leaf, they have evolved some of the most specialized trichomes in the plant kingdom. These microscopic structures reflect the light when they're dry, but turn transparent when they're wet, and act as nanoscale one-way valves that suck water into the leaf, but don't allow it to escape again. This brilliant system is now being copied in microvalve applications. And the drought-adapted string of pearls leaves could almost be described as a convergent evolution to the eye. That darker spot right there on the leaf is really a pupil-like window that allows light into the leaf to do more photosynthesis with less evaporation. Everything in your world has a story to tell if you look for it. So enjoy the virtual open house, and I hope to see you here on campus next year for a lot of fun and exciting activities.